Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Fort Digital Facility and Venue Booking System. Today, I'll walk you through how to manage, organize, and automate your facility bookings using this powerful tool, all within the familiar Fort Digital web portal. As a real-world example, let's look at one of our corporate clients. After using Fort Digital's visitor management system for several years to handle visitor registration, they decided to adopt the facility and venue booking system to manage its many resources more efficiently. Previously, there was no proper system to coordinate all of their available spaces. With this new solution, they can now easily create facilities and venues, allow users to make bookings, view a centralized booking calendar, track reservations, and automatically send email and SMS notifications, all integrated within a single system. To log in, simply visit our main website and click on the Login Visitor Ahascha Guest Management System VMS portal. Let's begin by logging in as an administrator. Once you are logged in, you'll notice that, in addition to the facility booking module, the system also provides access to other features such as the frequent visitor and guest modules. These additional functions are only visible to administrators. Normal staff accounts will see only the facility booking menu. To create a new facility, navigate to the Facility section in the left menu. Here, you can enter details such as the facility name and any remarks for internal reference. You can also upload a relevant photo to help users easily identify the facility. After submitting, the facility will be immediately available for booking. If you have additional facilities to add, simply repeat the same process by providing the name, remarks, and an image. Each facility you create will then be ready for staff to reserve as needed. And of course, if there are any changes in the future, you can always edit or delete a facility at any time. Next, let's talk about grouping facilities. The grouping feature allows you to combine multiple facilities under one group name, which makes it easy to book them together. For example, you might create a group called Big Hall with a note or remark attached, and then submit it. Once the group is created, you can assign specific facilities to it, like 3 copiers, so users can book them all in one go. The system also supports options, which allow you to define attributes such as size, color, or any other relevant characteristics and link them to a facility. For example, you might create an option named Red, leaving the remarks field empty and click on Submit. Then, you can scroll down and assign this color option to a specific copier. Once the assignment is complete, the system will display all the available options linked to that copier. This way, when customers make a booking, they can easily select their preferences. For instance, choosing the paper size or color for their print job. Let's move on to staff management by clicking on the staff menu on the left. As an administrator, you can create staff accounts by entering details such as the staff member's name, email address, username, password, department, mobile number, and any additional remarks. For example, I'll enter Jolan as the name, use Jolan for both the username and password, set the email address to jolenefortdigital.com.sg, and add a sample phone number. After clicking Submit, the staff account is created and ready to use. If you have a larger team, you don't need to key in each staff member one by one. Instead, you can conveniently import a staff list from an Excel CSV file. The columns should be arranged in this order: column A for name, B for username, C for password, D for email, E for department, F for remarks, and G for the mobile number. For example, I have a sample file with 3 staff members and I'll import it now. As you can see, their records are instantly added to the staff list below. Next, let's log out as the administrator and log back in as the staff member we just created. You'll notice the staff dashboard has a slightly different layout. Staff will see 2 main functions: Book Facility, which allows them to make direct reservations, and Booking Calendar, which helps manage bookings by time slot. To create a booking, staff can start by selecting the date, followed by choosing the start and end times. They can then decide whether to book an individual facility or a group. If they choose a group, they will be able to select it from the list, for example, selecting Big Hall, and then see which facilities and options are available within that group. They can also select any available options, such as paper size or color for a printer. Next, visitor details can be added manually. By clicking Add Packs, staff can enter details like the company name, for example, Fort Digital, the visitor's name, Jimmy Ong, their contact number, 123-456, and their email address, jimmyfortdigital.com.sg. If there are many visitors, staff can also import their details using a prepared list. There is a sample template provided for download, and once you open it, you'll see that column A is for the company name, B for the visitor's name, C for the mobile number, and D for the email address. Each visitor record should include these four fields. After importing the list, you'll see all the visitor details displayed below. Additionally, staff can specify the total number of internal attendees, the booking type, and any remarks. Once all the information has been completed, simply click Submit. That's it. A confirmation message will appear saying, "Booking saved successfully." Next is the booking calendar feature. It is a very useful feature. As you can see, the booked slots will appear in red, while available slots remain white for easy visibility. When you hover over a booked time, you can see exactly who made the reservation. This makes it easy for other staff to coordinate if there is a scheduling conflict. Both staff and admin have access to the same calendar view for full transparency. For staff members, the booking history function lets them view their past bookings and cancel any upcoming bookings before the event starts. Now I will log in back as an admin. You will be able to see all bookings made by every staff member, and you can also cancel or adjust bookings if needed. Once we log in back as admin, there is a report feature at left side menu. The reporting features are designed to give you clear insights. You can generate reports based on total bookings, facility usage, groups, or staff activity. These reports can help you understand which facilities are most popular, spot usage trends, and even measure which staff members are most productive in making reservations. Whenever a booking is made, the system sends a confirmation email to the customer. There is also a welcome email and a thank you email. These messages will soon be customizable, so you can tailor the content to your brand. At the same time, admins will receive a notification email about new bookings. If there are multiple admins, you can add more recipients to the notification by separating their email addresses with a semicolon. This facility booking system also integrates perfectly with Fort Digital's Visitor Management System, or VMS. Once visitor details are added during the booking process, the system will automatically send a welcome email along with a barcode to the visitor. When the visitor arrives, they can simply scan their barcode at the VMS tablet on site. This instantly pulls up their information, so there's no need to manually key in any details again. This makes the entire check-in process faster, more secure, and more convenient for both staff and visitors. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. The Fort Digital Facility and Venue Booking System is a flexible, powerful platform that helps you manage your resources with ease and transparency. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to contact us for a demonstration or visit our website to explore other tools such as our visitor management system, hardware SMS system, and WhatsApp messaging solutions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.